In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment status in Asana. By the end, you'll have a clear, color-coded field you can use to track whether a task has been invoiced, is pending, paid, or disputed, all without leaving your normal workflow. First, head to the Asana website and open the workspace and project where you manage your payment-related tasks. Make sure you have permission to edit fields in this project. Now select any task in that project. It doesn't have to be the final task you'll update every time. We're just going to use it as a convenient place to add a custom field that the whole project can use. With the task open, look toward the header area at the top. Click the plus button you see there. This is where you create a new custom field that will appear on your tasks. If you don't see the plus right away, hover over the header area and it should become visible. A field configuration panel will open. For the type, choose single select, sometimes labeled as dropdown. This gives you a controlled list of choices so your team stays consistent and avoids typos or varied wording. Next, give your field a clear name. Type payment status. Short, specific names make it easy for everyone to understand what the field is for at a glance. Now add the options. Create to be invoiced for work that's completed but not yet billed. Add pending for invoices that have been sent but not confirmed or paid. Include paid for anything settled and complete. And add disputed for cases where a client has a question or disagreement that needs resolution. Keep the wording concise and mutually exclusive so it's always obvious which one to pick. Before you save, assign colors to each label to make scanning faster. Green works well for paid because it signals completion. A neutral or yellow hue can represent pending. Choose a distinct color for to be invoiced so it stands out on your board or list. Use an attention-grabbing color for disputed, and if your team also uses an overdue status elsewhere, red is a common choice. The key is consistency. Pick a palette your team will recognize at a glance. Save your field, and you'll see payment status appear on the task. Open the dropdown and select the correct status. From here on, that same field will be available on other tasks in the project, letting you filter, sort, and report on payment progress with confidence.